On today's hunt, I will be solo hunting in the game lands in PA. I'm only able to get a one-man limit of 2 birds, so hopefully we can make quick work of it. Today I have Ivy, Dozer, and Ace.
We come up here on Thursday night and there was no ringneck, so we're hoping for a good night. Let's go see if we can find them.
Guys, too far. Come on, work back. Get him, get him, get him. Holy cow, we're rooster down. All right, rooster down. Dozer with a flush. Wow, that was worth the trip up. Pretty rooster too. Good job, bud. Hey, come here. Good job, good job. Hey, good job. Hey, good job, buddy. See if we can showcase him a little bit. Nice rooster. Good hunt so far. All right, here we go. See if we can find bird number 2. Woo! Limit of the day, baby. Wow, that was fast. Didn't even see him going up. Just heard him. Ah, she lost an eye. She won't bring him to me. Well, you can officially do this. Go out and find her empty here in a minute. We found a rooster. 2 roosters. Bird number 2 down. Hold. Well, you want to talk about a pretty bird. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing. Pretty. Oh, that's it. We're limited. Carry the gun back. Let's go get our empty. Dozy, come here. All right. Thank you, Remington Express number 5s. That's how we do her. Wow, look at the spurs on that thing. That's insane. Those are insane. Thank you, Lord, for letting us come up here and absolutely whack a few birds. I couldn't have done it without you. It's just a beautiful place to be and a beautiful place to hunt ringnecks. And I appreciate the harvest. Amen. All right. I'll take this off. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Everybody sit. Yeah, you're gonna get what you get. All right, Ive. Not gonna get everybody to sit down. Well, thank you for joining me for another hunt. This has been a great day. I've spent about, well, the camera says 39 minutes from the time I got out of the car. So 35 minutes in with the pupper dogs, and we got 2 nice roosters on the ground. So, oh, they're blocking the shot. So, thanks for watching.